can guess from this title that we are expanding. Now, this is something we didn't expect to do so soon, did we? Really?
No.
But things progress, things happen. Oh,
that wasn't me.
So we thought we'd sit here and have a conversation with you guys quickly. Not sure how this video is going to be. We may show you around this new place. We are in it now. You have seen it before, but do not get confused. Okay, so right at the very beginning, I want to just point out that we are still Rusty Autos, aren't we? We are still working on the Rusty Autos brand. We are still working on the Rusty Autos company, the names and everything else. So that is not changing, is it?
No.
So what happened is we obviously have our own unit, which again is not going to change. We still have that. We will still be working from there as well as our new place.
Oh no. I do oncoming, but it's
Now, again, we're going to sit here and explain all this to you. So obviously we have been doing bits with Sabre Speed, which was obviously Blackwing. They did the remap on the car. Now things have obviously progressed, and we basically find ourselves working on a lot of the projects here, aren't we?
Yeah.
So what's basically happening from this point forward is you guys are obviously getting the content, or you will be getting the content of all the big power builds that are coming in here that we will be going through, won't we? You'll get a lot of detail on it. There's stuff that you don't generally see, so engine swaps, turboing cars, supercharging cars, gearbox changes. There's literally all sorts, isn't there? All the way down to custom wiring looms. So all that sort of stuff, we are obviously... so we are obviously expanding our branch, and we're also obviously moving in here as well. So we are going to be having basically half of the space, aren't we? So we are going to have this is basically what, 2 or 3 times bigger than our unit.
Yeah.
Our actual side of the unit. We've got half of the unit down one end, but obviously this allows us access to one important thing, which is what, Jack?
A ramp.
Yes. So we have access to a ramp as well, which will help with our own project.
I felt like a special kid though.
You are. You're always special.
At least I can spell. Curtis.
So, yeah, we wanted to make this video to let you guys know. Again, we are still working here as Rusty Autos, hence why we've still got the t-shirts on. And if you want to get yours, link down below. We are starting to progress in the sense of, obviously Curtis records the videos. Some days he's not here, some days he is, but from this place, we are going to be pretty much setting up a corner for Curtis, aren't we? As bad as that sounds. He's going to be basically editing videos on site with us and sorting out obviously all the t-shirts and the the vinyl. So we'll be printing our own stickers.
Is that his birthday?
So I think it is, yeah. That is, by the way, useless, Jack. You've seen him already.
He pointed at me, you bastard.
No, not you. He's that way. I mean that way. So hi. Yeah, so we want to keep you updated of what's going on. So again, we are still working in our own unit. We're not giving up our unit. We've still got that, haven't we? That's still progressing. Still things going to happen there. I think we're going to use that mainly as our own projects, aren't we? And a few other little bits, if people are local and stuff as well, to that. So we'll still be there just as much as we are here. We'll be splitting time between the two places. Now, this is basically a big thing, isn't it? So what's going to happen here is, obviously, we are not working for him, are we?
No.
We are basically all equal sharers, aren't we?
Yeah.
So we are working together, all to a common goal. He's obviously keeping the Sabre Speed brand, which he does his big power builds through, and we'll have our side, which we do just the general modifications, the mechanics, the wrapping, and that sort of stuff. In Curtis's corner, again, he's going to start doing the graphics design, because that is what he does. He does do the logos, the stickers, and all that. So we are starting to look at opening a Rusty Autos design or Rusty Autos vinyl, that sort of thing, aren't we? Where he will go through and start designing people's like company names and stuff like that. Obviously that generates income for him as well. So again, here at Rusty Autos, we don't just say, okay, this is ours. We actually look after the people who are helping us get to that point. So on that note, we're going to quickly give you a quick tour of this place. It's not going to be a long video because things have progressed. You will see videos on every single build in this video. But again, you may not have seen the start of them yet, if that makes sense, because we may put this up pretty soon, so maybe tomorrow or Friday or something like that. Maybe Friday.
Depends when Curtis pulls his finger out.
Yeah, maybe next Wednesday, possibly. We'll see. We may show you this video ahead of time. So this is basically some important information to keep you guys updated. It's going to be absolutely awesome content for you. The video editing's completely changed as well. We're working with Curtis. We gave him.
Yawning. I wonder how many people that's going to make yawn.
Comment down below if you yawn then. Curtis, obviously we gave him a chance in the beginning to start editing videos. He'd not done much editing, and hopefully you guys have seen the progress between that. He's actually stepped it up a little bit, hasn't he? He's been learning from his mistakes. We've been working with him going through it all. It means we can focus more on the business side of things and expanding the Rust Autos brand, as well as having an input with you guys. Who's that?
Don't know. No one to be seen.
So yeah, we're going to quickly give you a tour of this place. We have 24-hour access to this place, same as ours. So it's just extra space. So for example, we was talking about doing the engine forging, wasn't we? So we was talking about doing the rebuilds for.
I can't help it.
We were talking about doing the rebuilds for the Corsa VXRs, and the forging, wasn't we? Was actually going to offer that, which actually we need to sit down and work that out today.
Yeah. We'll show the cabinet.
Yeah, we'll go through all that very soon. But again, like we said, it's going to be a great opportunity. You guys are going to get so much more content. We may start trying to post 5 to 7 days a week, because literally the videos are going to be absolutely smashed out, aren't they now? There's going to be so much stuff to record. All these builds coming up. So like, for example, there's 2 Supras outside. There's Soras, there's Chasers. There's other big projects. There's engine swaps, which, by the way, we can tell them quickly right now. The 350 is getting an engine swap. To what engine, you're not going to know, but you will not be disappointed, will they?
No.
We're actually quite excited, aren't we? Quite excited.
It's not a common swap.
No, I don't think it's actually been done.
It will be.
It will be though. So just look forward for that. That's going to be absolutely awesome. Still going fast and furious build on the outside, by the way, but the engine is just going to be something completely different, and it will absolutely blow your mind. Literally blow your mind. But we'll get there in the end. So what we're going to do, this has been a long intro, we know that, but it needed to be said. Again, want to point out, Rusty Autos brand still going ahead. Sabre Speed brand still going ahead. We're just merging together, keeping our own brands and still working together as a team, aren't we? Again, our own unit is still going to be our own. We're still working on our own projects, so you'll still see videos of us working there on our own stuff, like the Rex build that we've bought, which I'm not sure if you guys have seen it yet. We'll be working on stuff like that. So yeah, it's going to be a great opportunity, and obviously if, for example, working together we end up exceeding this place, we're going to look for a even bigger place, aren't we? And then we may end up giving up the smaller place we've got and just all bulking in on a big unit. So
big.
Yes. So what we're going to do, we're going to go around, look around the place, show you exactly what's about, how much room and everything we've got. And yeah, we're going to show you pretty much just a quick snippet. So this is going to be, like I said, a quick video just to explain all that sort of stuff. And you guys can obviously have your input down below. So if you are excited as we are for all this stuff, make sure you're commenting down below. There's going to be so many big builds that you guys are going to see. There's going to be dyno days. There's going to be literally all sorts. You guys are going to see the performance side of it on all the Jap cars, even European cars as well, because obviously with us being here, we work on a lot of European cars, don't we?
Yeah.
So we're going to be working on those. So you'll still see your normal content. Jack's content for the VXR, that's still going to be going ahead. We're still going to be building that to 450 Brake Plus. This is a great place to be as well, because the remapping's here. And obviously the building, the knowledge and everything else is all there. So it's going to be absolutely awesome. This means we can offer cheaper prices as well, doesn't it? On things like changes and stuff like that, because again, we're all working together. So let's have a walk around and show you what's about. We're right here at the entrance, so as you come in, you've got plenty of space. Obviously the shutter doors here. The whole place is alarmed, cameras and all that sort of stuff. So there is plenty of security here as well. So if we switch you around, obviously these cars are not always going to be in here. So we've got this section, this is our side, well it's going to be our side, and obviously this is going to be the Saberspeed side. So plenty of room, there's plenty of cars here. Obviously you've got the Soras, the Supra, which is there. Jack's just working on the Megane with Jack and Jack.
Useless Jack.
Useless Jack, and what did he do? What did he do?
He tapped his phone.
So you will see stuff on this. You may have seen that start already. We did do work on a supercharged Yaris, but this is a turbocharged Yaris that is having an engine change. Here we've obviously got another Sora that's been sorted. This is another Sora that's being built to 600 horsepower. Again, little previews. You guys will see all these in videos. This is the new engine for this because it was running too much boost. So we ended up blowing the piston, which again, you guys will see the whole build on that. So we've got the engine cranes, we've got the wiring stations and all this sort of stuff down here. We've got the hydraulic press, the grinders and everything else down there. So we've got plenty of tools. If we work further down here, we've got a useless Jack. Obviously we've got the ramp, which is absolutely awesome. So that's going to make things 10 times easier. A couple of bikes, but again, all this stuff will all get changed around. So this will change completely. But you can see how much room there actually is. So if we really wanted to get some cars in here, we could actually fit 4 cars on this side. Pretty easy, very, very easy. Kitchen, and then down here, twat. Down here, obviously, there's office, toilet, and then there's actually a back garden through there. So, vinyl cutter and everything else.
Space for barbecues.
Yes, yes, Fast and Furious style. Wait. Oh! So,
Have you shown them the room?
the room.
The room.
What room?
The room of
No,
many things.
Yeah, up there there's a lot of storage, so that's going to be used to keep the vinyl and stuff like that. So we're going to keep basically all the stuff up there that we don't want people to see on show. Again, this corner down here where the C2 and that is and the Yaris, we're going to use that corner like a little area down there for like a reception. Jack, smile. So obviously Curtis is going to be in that corner. He's going to be doing his designing. He's going to be doing the editing. He's absolutely getting so much better with that. So make sure you're smashing that like button down below. We are obviously excited for this. Just as I'm pretty sure you guys are. You're going to see all of these builds.
Did you see that?
Yes. You're going to see all of these builds. Obviously this has had a automatic to manual conversion as well. So it is now manual. There's a few little bits that we need to finish on that. Again, you will see all this stuff in the videos. So all these projects that's not even been started. There's a White Chaser 110 outside. There's 2 Supras. There's a Lexus. There's a Aristo, which is having an engine swap, I believe, or the engine pulled and it's being turboed. So again, you guys are going to see a lot of content, hell of a lot of content. It is going to be us working on the cars as well. So it's going to be absolutely fantastic. Make sure you guys are smashing that like button down below. Make sure you're hitting the subscribe button and your notification icon is on because you're going to see a lot of builds.